विषय कहिड़ो यादि आहे?
Importance of technology.
जी ॿुधायो.
Without technology, our lives would not have been simpler and easier. Nowadays, technology is used everywhere, including education, entertainment, work, medical field, and even in homes. It brings societies together and help us to do things that we were not able to do on our own.
Very good यादि आहे?
Yes, sir.
कहिड़ो?
Importance of technology.
जी ॿुधायो.
Importance of technology. Without technology, our lives would not have been simpler and easier. Nowadays, technology is used everywhere, including education, entertainment, work, medical field, and even in homes. It brings societies together and help us to do things that we were not able to do on our own.
पढ़ो.
Importance of technology. Without technology is used everywhere, including education, entertainment, work, medical field, even in homes. It brings societies together and help you to do things that we were not able to do on our own.